Microsoft Teams offers many impressive and valuable video conference features. Users can host Full HD calls with up to 250 members, which includes the ability to share screen and record calls. Users can also meet or collaborate on the go using Microsoft Teams app for smartphones and tablets. Video calling is an essential tool in the modern workplace, since employers are more frequently working remotely or from various office locations. Using Microsoft Teams, employers can quickly meet virtually, discuss, brainstorm, and work on documents in real time. To start the call on your Android, just click on the More button from the bottom. Tap on Calls. Tap on the plus button from the bottom. Now you can make a call. Just write the person's name or email. On the directory, you will be able to do an audio and video call. You can add multiple persons. Now tap on the Call button. You have started the call. It seems the person is not online and I was forwarded to the voicemail. Now let's end the call. You can also start a group call from the Chat tab. If you already have a group, just click it. On the top right, you have two buttons, a video call button and an audio call button. You can also start a group call on the channels. Tap on the teams. Now tap on the channel from a team. On the top, we have a call button. Tap on that. A new call has started now. You can now start a new meeting. You can put the video on or off and also mic on and off. Tap on Join Now. The system is pretty nice and I love the design. From the start, you will be able to invite person to this meeting. You can copy the meeting link or send an email. On the call, you will have a button to start and stop the video. Tap on the video button. Tap Allow for Teams to take pictures and record video. You can put audio here on mute. On the three dots menu, you can share the screen and turn off the incoming video. Also, another button is Raise Hand. You can show the organizer of the meeting you wish to say something. You have started a call now. You can try to use these features to be used to it. If this was useful, please like, share and subscribe. You can also watch more videos from the right. Also, if you have any questions, please ask them in the comments area below.